Hey y'all, it's Niecy. I got this crazy shirt on from when I was dyeing my hair. If you haven't checked that out, go ahead and I'm actually taking off my glasses. Go ahead and check out the last video to see how I dyed my hair jet black. I haven't had my hair black in about 2-3 years, so it's black, y'all, and I haven't done anything to it. I was going to show you guys, as I stated in the last video, how I dye my clip-ins. These are my curly clip-ins. I have straight clip-ins as well. These are by Betterlength clip-ins. They look crazy right now because they're pretty old. They're my old faithfuls. Hands down, old faithfuls. They're a 3B 3C curl. I'll put a picture somewhere around here of what I look like with them in. I did go ahead and brush them out. I have a lot of them actually. So it is pretty thick. I believe this is 18 inches. I will actually probably have to go back to my order to see exactly how long it is, but I believe it's like 18 inches. And it does have the clip-in. Again, these are old. They don't have the flat seamless clip-ins. It's the old school clip-ins, but they are freaking amazing. Like, I'm never giving these up. Like, I'm actually going to be buying another pair probably very, very soon, of a different, probably like, I don't know, a different hair pattern, a different hair texture. I'm going to be going in with the same jet black 371 in Dark and Lovely. I am usually a cream and nature girl, but I'm testing this out for myself. And I mean, this is jet black, y'all. This is like jet black. I feel like I should have got the natural black. I mean, I can't go back now, you know, so we're just gonna have to deal with what we gotta deal with, but it still looks nice. Go ahead back to that video to see how I dyed my hair. But today we're gonna be dyeing these clip-ins. We're gonna see how good these take, because this was actually dyed by Cream of Nature, honey blonde, I think C41, something like that, hair dye as well, and it took very well. This was my old hair color. This was actually darker than my hair color, and it still blended amazingly. So it's summer. I still want curly hair. We're gonna be just jumping straight into dyeing it. So that it's now black, jet black. I don't really care about the, like, you know, I wasn't really caring about, that's where I was holding it, but other than that, like, the hair is jet black, y'all. Seriously, Dark and Lovely is the go, because you know what, Cream of Nature never lifted this fast for me, never. So this is actually pretty dope. I'm gonna keep it on here. Since it already lifted, I'm gonna keep it on here for like a good maybe 10 minutes, maybe 5-10 minutes. I'll probably even hit the blow dryer with it a little bit. It's been like 15-20 minutes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wash all this dye out and then moisturize it with the moisturizer that it did come with. And then I'll probably hit it with some shampoo. I usually use the Dove. Whatever I use on my extensions, I use it on my regular hair, just so it could be one and the same. So let me go ahead and wash all of this out. So sorry, my phone died while I was washing the hair, so that's why the last clip was cut short. But this is the natural state after it's washed. Very beautiful curls, lightweight, like, and it's jet black, y'all. It's jet black, so for sure it's gonna match. I'm just gonna go ahead and probably put some heat protectant on it, of course some oil, not too much, and then blow dry it and put it in my hair. Like I said, it was like 3B3C, sorry. And again, I'll go ahead and try to find when I bought it, or I'll just go on their website and give you guys the exact link of which one this hair is. And like you could tell, you can dye it. Not all of them you could dye. I think the straight hair you can't dye, like the straight clip-ins, but I'm pretty sure, as you can see, the curly hair or their kinky hair or whatever, they can definitely dye. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. Hit that bell for notifications so you can keep up with your girl. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.